Okay, you remember this door had the hinges on the right. So it was like that, okay? Like that with the handle over here. So what I was saying is I'm going to take that off, and then there's two little pre-drilled holes on the side of the face frame. And this one actually, there's only one screw to put that in. Okay, like that. And so see, I'm going to flip this upside down like that. So my hinges are on the left-hand side. Okay, then I'll screw it in. Follow? I'm trying to stay out of your way. Okay, I'll screw it in so that I can pull it to the right. And that's what I was saying. Okay, now I'll have to take the door knob and drill a hole up here to match exactly where it is there, so it matches these other ones. Okay, and I'll drill that and put the handle up here so you don't have to reach down there, because that would look funky anyways. And then I'm going to have a hole there, and I've got my putty stick, and here's my little putty stick, and I'm going to fill that hole up with the putty stick. In fact, that putty stick was almost the right color, because when I installed the little trim under there, I pre-drilled some holes and took some long nails and found where I could nail that in, and then I used the putty stick. And the putty stick, it's not exactly perfect, okay? You're not going to find something exact, but it's going to be close enough. Plus, it's down there at the bottom. When I get all done and I were to say, okay, I've drilled one hole and put putty stick in it on one of these cabinet doors, can you tell me which one? And it's going to take a while for somebody to find it. Okay, so that's what I'm in the process of doing, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Oh, brother, I don't know why I procrastinated, but I've been waiting towards the end. I still have to paint the bathroom and the garage and stuff, and I'm still on my list, and I've written down my entire list on the condo, and whenever something comes up, I write it down. Remember, I had to take that door out over there, and here's the door. I'll show you that in a minute. I just pulled that out away from the wall, and see, it's still connected. Let me get the light on. Let's see here. See, the gas line is still connected. I didn't turn it off or anything. I don't have to unplug it. And as I pulled it out, I cleaned everything back there. And I wanted to show you, see, I put it on these little carpeted pads. And the carpeted pads are for hardwood floors. And this happens to be a vinyl laminate floor. And see, I got them at the Home Depot, and that's what it was called, Move-Alls and Protect-Alls. And remember, I was telling you the plastic ones are for on the carpet, okay? And this is just a heavy neoprene. And then see, the plastic goes down on the floor. You lift something up and you put it on there, and oh man, this thing just slides nice and easy. Okay, not that way, that way. Lift your couch up, your bed up, whatever, put it on there, and away you go. And you see, use on carpet and hard surfaces. Not this one. Don't use this one for the hard surface. You might think, why not? It just slides. It'll just slide on there. But the thing is, it's going to mark. It's going to mark that, and that's why they have the carpeted little pads. Okay. So the carpet pads are not for the carpet. The carpet is for hardwood floors. The plastic ones are for the carpet. Okay. And so for me to pull it out, I just slid it out just an inch or two, and then I lifted up the front legs. I lifted that up, slid those on, and I was kind of tricky by myself. And then I could pull it out further. Then I had, before I slid it all the way, see, you can't slide it out all the way because then you've got your back feet could gouge into your floor, mark your floor, scratch your floor, whatever. Then I had to jump down in there, and then, you know, I pulled it out this far, so the back leg was about there, okay? Then I had enough room to carefully get down there without hitting the gas pipe and all that kind of stuff. Then lifted up the back ones and slid the carpeted runners, and then I could pull it out further. As I pulled it out, then I swiveled it sideways a little bit so I could have enough room, because I can only pull this out so far. I don't want to disconnect it. I don't want to turn the gas off and undo that. Why mess with that if I don't have to, right? Okay, so then I got the door out, and let's talk about that now real quick so you get the full Monty, the full idea of what I'm doing here.